And as you move forward through the record, through archaic Homo sapiens, through the gradual refinement of skull shape, through the flattening of the face, the shrinking of the jaw, the rounding of the brain case, you are watching an organ expand in real time, fueled by a caloric surplus that had never existed before. The brain was not growing because of some random genetic leap. It was growing because, for the first time, the body could afford to let it grow. The jaw is part of this too. Raw food requires powerful jaws, massive chewing muscles, thick, reinforced skulls with prominent ridges at the top, called sagittal crests, that anchor those muscles. Cooking made food soft. Soft food does not need a powerful jaw. As the jaw shrank, the chewing muscles shrank. And as those muscles shrank, the skull was free to reshape itself. The bony ridges retracted. The forehead rose. The brain case rounded outward in every direction because nothing was pulling it back anymore. The modern human skull, that high, domed, almost balloon-like structure, is in a very literal sense the skull of a cooking animal. It is shaped by the absence of the jaw it no longer needed. Consider what this means. Every feature we associate with being human, the high forehead, the small face, the crowded teeth, the rounded cranium, the enormous brain, is downstream of fire. Of a behavioral choice made by creatures who were not yet us, sitting around heat sources they had learned to maintain, holding food over flame and changing the chemistry of what they ate. They did not know what they were doing. They did not know they were redesigning their species. They were hungry. They found that cooked food tasted better, filled them faster, took less effort to chew. They kept doing it, and it kept reshaping them. There is a fascinating detail that lives inside this story. Human teeth.